You see, this is early morning here, but I just want to quickly say this, You see those people you call friends, for example, where I'm coming from, there is a club they call People's Club of Nigeria. They are very good friends. You see, I don't mean that friendship is not good. Those guys doing friendships, helping people humanitarianly, going to help some people outside that do not have anything, so to say. They showcase large and elaborate relationship and friendships. Man, I will tell you the truth. So many of them are not friends. So many of them are not friends. Many of them are simply what I call competitors. They are not friends, real friends, as in real friends that can come for you. Even, in fact, let me put it this way. Most of them, their relationships are not sustainable, because their relationships are fake. They are only showcasing money. I have money more than you. Some will even come to the extent of going to grab your family. I mean, some of them go as far as chasing their friends' wives. That is not friendship. So if you are making your friendship and you feel that it is going to be sustainable, the only advice I have for you as a man or a woman growing up or trying to engage yourself in this activity is to make sure you have money with you. Make sure you keep money that will sustain you. Make sure that you will still be alive and be ready to face what is coming in front, because most times those friends can never bail you out. What am I saying in essence? Friendship is good, but not all friendship is friendship. Do you get the point? So always leave some gap in between to balance the situation, because nature, I tell you, it is not what you think. Nature is nature and not what people feel. You see them doing elaborate things outside. When their friend is done in the next 20 years, they will start to say something like this: Shebi, you want to come and compete with me? I thought you had money more than me. Now you don't have anything, you are down. They will start to laugh at you. So that is why I said, if you cannot belong to that group, if you don't want to make that friendship, real friendship that is sustainable, leave it. Live your private life and be yourself, both man and woman. It has happened. I'm talking from experience. It has happened to somebody very close to me. You think that they even go as far as sewing clothes together, buying the same type of car, traveling the same time. For example, they want to go for festive period, they will book themselves and they travel the same time, they move at the same time. You think that these guys, their family is so tight that it is airtight, that nothing can penetrate it. But wait until one of them is no longer having those resources that attract others. You then see that those relationships are never sustainable. It's just a piece of advice. If you've been there before, you will understand what I'm saying. But if you have not been there, just learn from what I've just said, because it has happened to thousands and thousands of people, and today there are nowhere to be found. And in fact, now they are even begging food on the street, and those their friends can't even save them. Just take this piece of advice. It's going to go a long way to help you, and also pass it to your children. That is how to be a man and a woman, and that is how to be in a relationship. Don't let the relationship get into your brain. Most relationships are never sustainable. I tell you, I stop here. Be smart.